Hello everyone, my name is Dan Bittner and I am making a song about cellular respiration for Dr. Alvarez's cell biology class. You ask for Dr. Alvarez, you're going to get it, so now you're going to get to hear my song on cell respiration. So here goes. Cell respiration is the process of breaking down food to release energy. It's made up of 3 stages: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. A 6-carbon glucose molecule is phosphorylated by ATP and hexokinase, and ADP is made. Next, fructose 6-phosphate is phosphorylated by ATP and phosphofructokinase, and ADP is made. Then the 6-carbon glucose is split to form 2 3-carbon molecules, one being GTP. Next, another GTP is produced, and then both GTP are oxidized by NAD+, and this converts NAD+ to NADH. Now free phosphates are added to the 3-carbon sugars. Next comes the meeting of ADP, pyruvate kinase, and those 3-carbon sugars, which results in the formation of ATP and pyruvate. Then NAD+ oxidizes pyruvate. A single carbon is lost and 2 acetyl-CoA molecules are produced. Those 2 acetyl-CoA, which are 2 carbon each, join with 4-carbon oxaloacetate to form citrate. Citrate then enters the Krebs cycle and gets oxidized twice by NAD+, which forms NADH and CO2. 4 carbons are now left and 1 ATP was made. The 4-carbon molecule is then oxidized by NAD+ and FADH, and now we have NADH and FADH2. This process is then repeated because 2 pyruvate molecules enter the Krebs cycle. We now have a total of 4 ATP and 6 CO2, and the NADH and FADH2 provide electrons for the electron transport chain. The electron transport chain takes place in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The electrons from NADH pass through 3 protein complexes: ubiquinone, succinate hydrogenase, and cytochrome BC1. The electrons from FADH2 only pass through complexes 2 and 3. The protein complexes pump out protons into the inner membrane space. This creates a gradient known as the proton motive force. The protons then return to the matrix through the ATP synthase complex. Approximately 32 ATP are produced. 6 oxygen molecules get electrons, and they combine with hydrogen ions to make 6 water molecules. And that, folks, is what cellular respiration is all about.